front of me is VIVO Y01, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and select Apps and Notifications over here. Then click on Notifications. After that, you need to click on See All from last 7 days and finally tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see now, all notifications from this app are blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. You can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!